Environmental law consultancies versus regulatory affairs specialists. Which one is better for permitting projects? Most people get this wrong, assuming that any regulatory expert can handle complex environmental permitting. The surprising truth is that choosing the right type of specialist can make or break a permitting project, especially when multiple jurisdictions and agencies are involved. Environmental law consultancies focus specifically on the legal and regulatory frameworks that govern environmental compliance. They interpret environmental laws, advise on permits, and help companies navigate environmental assessments, impact statements, and mitigation requirements. For example, a large industrial facility seeking a wastewater discharge permit may rely on an environmental law consultancy to ensure all federal and state regulations are met, avoiding fines and project delays. Regulatory affairs specialists, on the other hand, often have broader experience with overall permitting and compliance across multiple sectors, including chemicals, energy, or pharmaceuticals. They focus on procedural efficiency, managing submissions to authorities, tracking approvals, and ensuring timelines are met. While they provide valuable project management and coordination, they may lack the deep legal insight needed to address complex environmental statutes or anticipate enforcement risks. The key difference lies in depth versus breadth. Environmental law consultancies provide legal expertise and risk mitigation, while regulatory affairs specialists excel in navigating administrative processes efficiently. Many successful projects combine both. The consultancy ensures legal compliance and anticipates obstacles, while regulatory specialists coordinate filings, respond to agency inquiries, and track progress. The takeaway is simple: for complex permitting projects, legal expertise in environmental law is critical, but process management can save time and resources. By combining both approaches, companies can reduce regulatory risk, speed up approvals, and protect their operations. The surprising truth is that the right blend of legal insight and administrative coordination often determines whether a project succeeds or stalls.